The liver is a vital organ, responsible for over 500 essential functions in the body. It helps filter toxins, removing harmful substances from the blood and converting them into non-toxic products to be excreted through urine or stool. The liver also plays a key role in producing bile to aid in fat digestion and storing energy in the form of glycogen. Furthermore, it synthesizes important proteins like albumin, which maintains fluid balance in the body, and clotting factors to prevent excessive bleeding. If you are over 50 and frequently feel tired, struggle to manage belly fat, or experience slow digestion, your liver health might be compromised. Common symptoms include prolonged fatigue despite adequate rest, bloating and indigestion due to reduced bile production caused by a weakened liver. One of the leading causes of liver overload today is the high intake of carbohydrates in modern diets. Never before have humans consumed as much carbohydrate as we do now. A visit to any supermarket reveals shelves filled with bread, cereals, pasta, pastries, croissants, and cookies. Additionally, popular foods like pizza, rice, French fries, and refined sugars contribute significantly. Overconsumption of these carbohydrate sources can place a heavy burden on the liver, forcing it to work overtime to process and metabolize them. This increases the risk of fatty liver and other liver-related health problems. Studies by reputable health organizations, such as the American Diabetes Association, ADA, and the World Health Organization, who have shown that excessive carbohydrate consumption, especially from processed foods and refined sugars, can lead to fatty liver, insulin resistance, increased risk of obesity and diabetes. Clinical studies published in journals like The Lancet and Nature confirm the link between high carbohydrate diets and metabolic disorders. The good news is that fatty liver can be reversed within 2 weeks by adopting simple dietary changes. Solution: fruits and vegetables. While carbohydrate-rich foods like pizza, French fries, and rice overload the liver, fruits and vegetables offer a restorative solution. These foods not only provide essential nutrients, but also promote detoxification and prevent fat accumulation in the liver. It's time to stop harming your body with processed, carbohydrate-heavy foods and start choosing natural healing foods. Your liver can recover, but only if you take action now. If this is your first time visiting Harmony for Health, we're delighted to join you on your journey to better health and quality of life. Click the subscribe button and leave a comment to share. Learn and spread a healthy lifestyle with others. Foods and herbs that support liver health. 8. Garlic. Garlic has long been recognized as a valuable food and herb with numerous health benefits, especially in supporting liver function. It contains allicin, a sulfur compound with anti-inflammatory, detoxifying, and antioxidant properties. Anti-inflammatory and detoxifying benefits. A study published in Nutrition Reviews 2020 revealed that allicin in garlic reduces inflammation and stimulates the liver to produce natural detoxification enzymes, helping eliminate harmful substances from the body. This reduces the metabolic burden on the liver and prevents the buildup of toxins in liver cells, reducing fat and protecting the liver. Another study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology 2008 found that garlic reduces fat accumulation in the liver, slowing the progression of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD). Garlic also enhances the liver's antioxidant defenses, protecting liver cells from free radical damage, a major cause of inflammation and liver cell degeneration. Effective ways to use garlic. Raw garlic. Eat 1 to 2 cloves of raw garlic in the morning. For maximum allicin absorption. Garlic tea. Crush 2 cloves of garlic. Steep in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and add honey for flavor. In dishes, add fresh garlic to stir fries. steamed vegetables or soups for both flavor and health benefits. Incorporating garlic regularly along with a healthy lifestyle can sustainably improve liver health, reduce the risk of liver diseases, and enhance overall well-being. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric, particularly its main compound curcumin, is known for its ability to support liver health through various scientifically proven mechanisms. Key benefits of curcumin: reduces inflammation. Curcumin acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, targeting inflammatory cytokines such as TNF-alpha and interleukin, thereby reducing liver inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Hepatology 2020 showed that curcumin can decrease inflammation levels in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFD). Protects the liver from damage. Curcumin prevents oxidative damage to liver cells by neutralizing free radicals, safeguarding the liver from long-term harm. A study in Phytotherapy Research 2017 demonstrated that curcumin supplementation reduces liver cell damage in patients with chronic hepatitis, supports detoxification. Curcumin stimulates the production of glutathione, a crucial antioxidant that helps the liver effectively eliminate toxins. How to use turmeric effectively. Turmeric tea: mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with hot water and add a pinch of black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption. Black pepper contains piperine, which has been shown to increase curcumin bioavailability by up to 2,000%. American Journal of Clinical Nutrition 1998. Dosage: drink turmeric tea 2 to 3 times a day, especially after meals, for the best results. Note: while turmeric has many benefits, it should be consumed in appropriate amounts, especially for individuals on blood thinners or with stomach disorders. Always consult a doctor before use. Egg. 6. Dandelion greens, a natural choice for liver recovery. Dandelion greens have long been recognized as a food and herbal remedy that supports liver health by promoting detoxification and regenerating liver cells. Its natural compounds are rich in antioxidants, protecting the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, dandelion greens stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, improving the body's ability to process fats and toxins, thereby enhancing liver function. Key benefits for liver health: promotes detoxification. Dandelion greens stimulate bile production, an essential factor in eliminating excess fats and toxins from the body. Regenerates liver cells. Natural compounds in dandelion greens enhance the regeneration and repair of damaged liver cells. Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. With high levels of polyphenols and flavonoids, dandelion greens reduce inflammation and prevent damage to liver cells. How to use dandelion greens effectively. In daily meals, use fresh dandelion leaves to make salads, paired with other greens and olive oil. Cooked dishes. Dandelion greens can be sautéed, added to soups, or included in hot potato dishes. Dandelion root tea: dry and roast dandelion roots to make tea. A warm cup of dandelion tea in the morning supports the liver's natural detoxification process. 5. Ginger, a golden food for liver health. Ginger is a widely used herb in both traditional and modern medicine, known for its exceptional benefits for liver health. Key benefits: anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains gingerol and chagal, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects, reducing inflammatory responses in the liver and preventing long-term damage. Supports bile flow. Ginger stimulates bile production, aiding in the efficient digestion of fats and reducing the liver's workload. Prevents fat accumulation in the liver. Active compounds in ginger support fat metabolism, helping prevent and improve fatty liver conditions. How to use ginger. Ginger tea? The simplest and most effective way to enjoy ginger's benefits. Grate 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Pour 200 milliliters d'eau bouillante sur la gingembre. At les ailes infuser pendant 10 minutes. Add a touch of honey, or a few drops of lemon juice to enhance flavor and health benefits. Drink 1 to 2 cups of ginger tea daily, especially in the morning, to kickstart digestion and support liver detoxification. Precautions. Individuals with stomach disorders or sensitivities should use ginger in moderation to avoid irritation. Combine ginger with a balanced diet and other herbs for optimal liver health benefits. Before we move on to the next topic, please support the Harmony for Health channel by subscribing and liking. Your support is the biggest motivation for our team to keep creating even better content. Thank you so much. For lemon, a natural solution to support liver health. Lemon is one of the most beneficial natural foods, especially in supporting liver function. Rich in minerals and vitamin C, lemons not only help alkalize the body but also aid in detoxification, regulate pH levels, and protect the liver from damage caused by diet or environmental factors. Key benefits of lemon: alkalizes the body despite its sour taste. Lemon has an alkalizing effect once metabolized in the body. This helps maintain pH balance, reducing acidity, a factor that can harm the liver and overall health. Detoxifies the liver. Lemon stimulates bile production in the liver, which is essential for digesting fats and removing harmful substances from the body. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, protecting the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Supports digestion. Lemon not only aids the liver but also improves digestive function, reducing bloating, indigestion, and enhancing nutrient absorption. How to use lemon effectively. To reap the benefits of lemon, drink warm lemon water in the morning on an empty stomach. Mix the juice of half a fresh lemon with a cup of warm water. You can add a touch of honey for flavor and additional benefits. Warm lemon water not only helps cleanse the liver, but also gently stimulates the digestive system after a night's rest. Precautions. Avoid drinking lemon water on an empty stomach if you have conditions like ulcers or gastric sensitivity. Limit the addition of sugar to preserve its detoxifying effects. E3. Supporting liver health with a low-carbohydrate diet. In addition to consuming liver-supportive foods and herbs like garlic, turmeric, dandelion greens, ginger, and lemon, adopting a low-carbohydrate diet provides significant benefits for liver health. Reduces pancreatic stress and insulin demand. A low-carb diet lowers blood sugar levels, reducing insulin production. This helps ease the liver's workload and supports its recovery. Improves cholesterol levels. Low-carb diets encourage the body to use fat as its primary energy source, balancing cholesterol levels and promoting heart health. Benefits from healthy fats. Foods rich in healthy fats, such as avocados, eggs, and cream, are not harmful as previously thought. Instead, they provide energy, reduce inflammation, and support liver cell regeneration. 2 important considerations for older adults when supporting liver health. No food is perfect. Every food has its own benefits, but not everyone can tolerate everything. Foods like garlic, ginger, or lemon may be safe for most people, but can irritate the stomach, cause bloating, or be unsuitable for those with conditions like ulcers, diabetes, or high blood pressure. Listen to your body. Older adults should pay attention to how their body responds to any food or herb. If symptoms like indigestion, abdominal pain, or increased fatigue occur. Stop use immediately and consult a doctor. C. Pay attention to notes in videos or guides. Videos or guides often include notes specifically tailored for older adults or individuals with pre-existing conditions. Be sure to follow these recommendations to avoid potential side effects. D. Maintain a balanced diet. A low-carbohydrate diet can greatly reduce liver strain, but it must be adjusted to ensure adequate energy and nutrient intake. Foods rich in healthy fats like avocados, eggs, and vegetables should be incorporated in moderation. Remember, liver health can recover, but it requires a cautious and scientific approach. Always consult a nutritionist or doctor before making any major dietary changes. One conclusion: the liver is a vital organ with a remarkable ability to regenerate if supported properly. A healthy diet, reduced intake of carbohydrate-rich foods, and the incorporation of natural remedies like garlic, turmeric, ginger, dandelion greens, and lemon can significantly improve liver function and reduce fatty liver conditions in a short time. Start making changes to your diet today and use natural solutions to protect your liver and overall health. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and share the channel to spread this valuable knowledge. Thank you for watching. Wishing you good health and boundless energy.